Hi there, Cedar with Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales, here to give you a quick tour of the beautiful Forest River Wildwood 300 Ice. Has a unique layout with plenty of sleeping for couples or a big bunkhouse for the kids. Nice open layout. Living space with a convertible sofa and a pull-out peninsula here for plenty of dining and lounging space. Sofa goes down into a sleeper. Nice kitchen. You'll have a microwave up above the range hood there. Included televator to put your TV up and down out of view when you're not using it. Soak up the views wherever you might be camping this summer. You have another convertible sofa here that flips down into a trailer-sized queen. And then that top bunk there is adjoining. You can use it as a single bunk or flip that back wall down and you have another king. Little desk space. Perfect spot for catching up on a few bits of homework or paperwork while you're away this summer, if needed, or tuck it down for more floor space. Nice big windows to capture the view, large pantry, full-size fridge here, and a convenient walk-through bath with barn doors on each side. Full-size shower. Nice sunlight there. And this leads you to the back king bedroom with the Versa King. Separate entrance. Your own closet here, plus wardrobes for plenty of storage. Stop into Lovesick Lake Park and RV Sales to check out this 300 Ice. Get the best price on all the Wildwood lineup of travel trailers.